Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you my last paper pumpkin alternative project using the January 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Kisses and Hugs. This fun kit created 10 of these fun shape and fun fold cards. If you're interested in seeing me unbox this kit or any of my other alternative projects, you can click on the playlist in the top right corner. If you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe button and then the bell for notifications. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and help you with any of your paper crafting needs. To purchase any of the products you see me use today, please visit my online store, and the link is in the description box below. If you're interested in signing up to get your own paper pumpkin subscription, that link is also in the description below. So today I am sharing with you a fun card created using only the stamps from the Paper Pumpkin kit. Each month I provide my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with an exclusive card kit designed by me. This is the card they will be making with their kit. If you would also like to receive this extra perk, you can sign up to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription by using the link below in the description box or visiting my blog, creativechelsey.com. So let's go ahead and get started making this cute card. So the first thing we're going to do is create this grid of hearts. Now I am going to use my paper trimmer to create the grid lines, and I thought that using grid lines would be a really easy way to make sure that they are lined up nicely. So you're going to begin with a 3" by 4" piece of cardstock, and you're going to line it up at, I'm working on the 4" side. I'm going to line it up at 3 inches and make a score line. Then I'm going to slide it down to 2 inches and then 1 inch. Then I'm going to rotate, and this is the 3", so I'm going to start it at 2 inches and then 1 inch. And what this is doing is it's creating a grid for me to stamp my hearts in. So you'll end up with something that looks like this. So our next step is that we're going to be stamping the hearts. And the really fun thing about this card is that it can be stamped in any combination of colors. And so for this card, I created it using 4 coordinating colors in Bumblebee, Granny Apple Green, Magenta Madness, and Bermuda Bay. So for today's card, I wanted it to be a little more masculine. So I've got Soft Succulent, Smoky Slate, Misty Moonlight, and Balmy Blue. So I'm going to go ahead and begin with the Balmy Blue. And I've got the solid heart from the stamp set. And I'm going to stamp that in the top left corner. And then I'm going to move to the kitty corner. And then I want to skip the next row that would happen, which is right here, and go over 1. And I just think it's fun to create a little bit of difference in that pattern. So that's going to be my first pattern. And then I'm just going to repeat that with the next color. I'm going to do Misty Moonlight next. I don't want the 2 blues right next to them, to each other, and so I'm going to skip 1. And then do that one here. And then it's going to be right here. Okay. So there's number 2. Then I'm going to do Smoky Slate. I do want to clean my stamp before changing colors. This is just a nice light gray, and it's going to just go right in the center between the 2 blues. And then my last color is a little bit of a green, and I'm using the Soft Succulent. And again, just going to clean that a little bit. And that's just going to fill in that last opening right there. It's fun how you can see the little bit of difference between the 2 cards by just changing the colors. Just love that. So the next thing I'm going to stamp is my greeting, and I'm going to use the Love You from the set, and I'm stamping it on a strip of basic white. It is a 1/2 inch by 3 inches. You could stamp any greeting for this card. It could be a birthday card, it could be a baby card, lots of options. Next, I'm going to add everything to a card base. I've got a card base of thick basic white, and I'm just going to adhere the hearts down. Whoops. I'm using the Stamp and Seal, and it tore my cardstock just a little bit right there, which can happen with this stronger adhesive. I do like to use it though more than the regular seal because it has perforations and it's really easy to remove, and you don't get that stringy bit from taking the roller off the paper. Anyway, this goes right in the center. So that gets added to the center. And then before I add my greeting, I want to add a little bit of twine. And I'm going to use the silver twine from the Simply Elegant twine pack. And I'm going to cut an 8-inch piece. So that pack comes in both silver and gold. And I'm going to take a glue dot and I'm going to put it in the corner here where the 2 score lines meet. Just like that. And then I'm going to find the center of that piece of trim and place that right on the glue dot, and then just wrap back and forth to create a small bow. And then I am going to place another glue dot on top, and that's just going to hold everything together. So you'll get something that looks like this. And then we're going to add the greeting with dimensionals. And I'm just using the mini dimensionals from the kit. And I'm going to place those on the ends and then leave the center open so that there's room for that bow. And it's just going to come off a little bit so that the Love You is in the center. And then I'm going to add just a couple rhinestones to a couple of the hearts. So you can use any size. And I just decided to place 2 inside those hearts there. And your card is all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create these really fun, simple, and easy cards that you can make using just the stamp set from the January 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you're interested in subscribing to Paper Pumpkin so you get your own kit, please use the subscription link in the description box below. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images of this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.